was a busy week. I had nothing to do apart from switching between apps. Luckily, I found about this ride to Chikadevamma betta, which was organized by Rotary Mysore, hosted by Jawa. Since I had no plans for weekend, I thought of joining them. Now I left with nothing to do apart from waiting for weekend. Me with my childhood friends, we joined our proud owners of Jawa in front of most visited monument of Mysore, that is Mysore Palace. It was a big gathering of bike enthusiasts, more than 50 bikes revving their engine, seeking attention of people, moreover making the pigeons to fly around. It was a tremendous beginning. Finally, flag was waved. For a moment, it was like a thunderstorm on the road. Chikadevamma betta is 52 kilometers away from Mysore and 195 kilometers from Bengaluru. It is located on Nagarore forest range beside river Kabini. After riding for 1.5 hours, we finally reached scenic roads of Chikadevamma betta. The ride was closing as we passed each hairpin bends. Taking us to a striking view of small villages covered in a lush green background. The temple has a history of 200 years. The goddess Chikadevamma, a common name of goddess Maheshwari, one among 7 sisters of Chamundeshwari. After visiting the temple, we head back to Mysore. The ride was very memorable. It was more than a ride, it was a procession of bikes seeking attention of people around.